We are in Bali! Okay, so we're currently at Spring Spa and we're gonna wait for our massage time. We book appointment and we're gonna see if it's we're gonna see if it's good or not.
Hi guys, welcome to our villa tour. Come in.
Good morning everyone, it's day 2. Today we're gonna start with our activities. Finally, we're gonna get a day trip out to Ubud and then we will do ATV, rafting and other fun stuff. Okay, day 3 morning and we're starting off with pool day. We're gonna take some photos and then have fun at the pool. Imagine you're at a beach club and then you're like, oh, I can do a party trick, and then you take out your slippers and open a damn beer bottle. That's so funny. Good morning everybody. It is currently 2:12 a.m. and we are waiting for our driver to come pick us up. We'll make our way to Mount Batur where we will hopefully catch the sunrise. We are at the waiting point and it's quite cold.
So hot!
What? It's cold. So cold. Ooh, whoa.
something new. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, driving on the freeway tonight. I only got one thing in the back of my mind.